needles clicking, yarn and fight, stitching magic through the night.